So, new version of Crazy Train. After the Around the World's Carves Twice, we do angles. That was my fault when I taught you guys today. I taught you right into Batman to Robin after Around the World, but there's angles. It's just instead of doing the bottom first angles, we just do top, okay? And then we go right into the Batman and Robin. I'm going to go ahead and start, but I'm going to start from the drop spins since the YouTube video does not do the repeat on the hits. So you're going to hear a couple hits, but we're going to go in the drop spins, okay? Rewind. So again, the drop, these hits will repeat in actual music, but not in this one. 5, 6, drop spins. 3, 4, 5, 6, windmills. 2, to the angles, bottom angles, and 1, 2. Keep it sharp, tuck, hold on nice and pretty. 5, 6, 7, grip what? 1, 2, 3, back scratch. 5, 6, 7, grip 2. Back scratch, and turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, drop spins. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, windmills. Carves. Group 1 again, drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, turn. 6 drop spins. Here's where I make play flat, fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, group 2. 6 around the world. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other ones again. Here's the angles. 5, 6 for angles. Here we go. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Batman. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 around the back. 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn. 11, 12. Third to bring up. Drop spins. 2, 3, 4. Windmills. 2, 3. Here's butterfly row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 big carves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pop tosses. Group 1, 2, 3, group 2, 2, group 3. Group 1, group 2, 2, group 3. And then hit 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 angles. That's all it is? I know I say that's all it is, but okay, you guys are gonna be just fine. We'll go over groups and everything. Again, I know the burrito or the burrito.
So I just created this website in Wix.
I can't think of it.
Let
The
me show you
butterfly's a
how I
little
did it.
confusing, but we'll go over it. Okay, have fun.
First up, go